Imagine running no-cost IU licensed software like Microsoft Office and Adobe Creative Suite without having to install it. With IU Anywhere, you can run software from your computer or mobile device regardless of your location. Need to store files remotely? IU Anywhere works with the IU Cloud Storage Service, and printing is similar to printing from other apps. For a more robust experience on Windows or OS X, you'll want to download and install software called Citrix Receiver. You can launch your apps from there. Here's how to get Citrix Receiver. Go to receiver.citrix.com. The site will auto-detect your operating system. Click the link to download the installer. On Windows, your download will automatically launch. Click the installer to run it. On a Mac, a new Citrix page will open. Double-click the .dmg download and click Install Citrix Receiver. Then follow the installation instructions. To finish installation and add your account, go to kb.iu.edu/d/BCLT to learn more. One final tip: if you are working on a computer that does not have Citrix Receiver installed, or on a mobile device, you can also just use the light version of IU Anywhere in your web browser to launch apps. Just go to iuanywhere.iu.edu. Log in and click Use Light Version.